Hello there, my name is Stephanie Rojo. I'm an estate planning and estate administration attorney from Stone Law offices in Las Vegas, Nevada. This video is particularly for those individuals or married couples who have felt like an estate plan is unattainable due to cost. And I would encourage you to still pick up the phone and call an estate planning attorney to discuss your options, because while a trust may not be an option for you, a will package or even a power of attorney package may be available to you. And you don't know how much it costs until you actually pick up the phone and call an attorney's office. And you can definitely shop around for different attorneys. Now, I will caution you that there are some attorneys out there who will charge nominal rates for their estate plans, but they're also giving you low-level documents. So you really want to take that into account when you are picking the right estate planning attorney for you. Are you going to get the level of value that you need for the amount that you're paying? Now, it is tax season, and some of you are getting ready to file your tax returns, and maybe, hopefully, I'm hoping on your behalf that you have a refund coming your way. If that's the case, if you have some additional funds that are coming your direction, I would really encourage you to take the next step to talk to an estate planning attorney and use those funds to get your plan set up. An estate plan is really an essential group of documents that identifies who is going to step into the role as trustee or executor upon your passing to administer your estate and make sure your assets get to the right people. It also addresses, at least in your revocable living trust, who would be the trustee in case you became incapacitated, and outlines a plan for how your funds are going to be used for your benefit during your lifetime. You would also have within an estate plan documents called your healthcare power of attorney and your financial power of attorney, which help avoid guardianship situations. They identify agents who would step into the role that you otherwise are playing while you have capacity, and they would make decisions on your behalf, and you can no longer make those decisions yourselves. Any person who's over the age of 18 really needs to be considering some form of estate planning. An 18-year-old may not need a trust, okay? I don't want you to hear me telling you that you need a trust. It really depends on your situation, but an 18-year-old would definitely need a healthcare and a financial power of attorney, because at that age, the age of majority, their parents are no longer able to just simply come in and make financial decisions on their behalf or medical decisions on their behalf. So at a minimum, we want to see those types of documents put in play. And as the person gets older, as they acquire additional assets, maybe as they get married and have a family of their own, then that's when we really need to start having a more detailed conversation of does a trust make sense for this person, or at least a will along with those ancillary documents. So estate planning can be very effective and very helpful if it's done correctly. That's why I'm encouraging you to pick up the phone and talk to an estate planning attorney rather than doing it yourself or purchasing a trust in a box or will in a box or something of that nature, because there are so many blind spots and pitfalls associated with doing documents yourself. You're better off sticking with professionals who do this work day in and day out. And if you have extra funds coming your way, now is the right time to begin that conversation. And if you already have an estate plan in place, but you want confirmation that it was done correctly, or you would like to maybe have it reviewed to see if there are any changes that need to be made, now is the time to pick up the phone and call an attorney. You are welcome to call me. My name is Stephanie Rojo. I'm an attorney at Stone Law offices. My number is 702-998-0444. I'd love to begin that conversation with you to meet you where you are in your estate planning journey, whether it's to get you set up initially or to review your existing plan and potentially provide recommendations for improving that plan. Once again, I would love to have a conversation with you. My name is Stephanie Rojo. My number is 702-998-0444.